Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, ang i-vlog natin is bubunot dito kung ano yung makuha. So, let's go. Alright. Let's go na guys. Yan na. Bubunot na tayo.
She's Yumi, Saku's boss's niece. He wakes her up, and she asks what he's doing there. She says, I'm looking for a new home.
Uy,
which
Kuromi.
she
Ang
explains,
pangit ang Kuromi.
I want to keep it.
Okay na ito guys. Dito natin na
That's why I'm gonna stay with it until someone takes it home.
Kuromi.
But then she sneezes, it's cold there, and Yukichi tries to take her back home.
Wala,
She
another.
resists though. Yukichi is shocked to see that she's angry with him. Yukichi then sits around them to keep them warm. Yumi says, it's so warm here, I want to live here now. Just then, the kitten sticks to his fur and starts
bibig.
scratching it. Yumi
Kit
wonders if it's
na.
hungry. She asks Yukichi, can you give him milk? Yukichi shakes his head, trying to convey a mail. He goes to buy milk in a bottle. The worker thinks, did he have a kitten?
Let's go
Now they feed the kitten.
again.
Yumi says,
Uy,
I
may
really
mga
want to keep
nahulog
you.
na.
So when it gets big like you, Yuki-chan, we could go see LUC concert together.
Uy.
Suddenly, it starts raining.
Maganda.
To protect the kitty, Yumi says,
Sa lasangan, daanan, madami kang madadaan, diretso lang ang ting, wag kakaliwat kanan. Salubi na ko vlog ko na tayo today. Kanta ko ng kanta.
Granny says, I am too old to take care of it. And Yumi gets sad.
Siya ka,
Granny
ito,
says,
na
well, let me
shocks.
ask my friends and text them. She then says, there is someone who wants the kitty.
Ala!
They get happy. Now they wave the kitty and leave it with Granny, who waves them back. As Yukichi is taking her back home, she seems sad. She asks, Yuki-chan, do you think the kitty will forget about
Uy,
it?
doon,
It recalls
ako
all the
si
times
Sigoy
spent
na
with the kitty.
ano
She
na
has
to?
grown too close to it in
Nakalimutan
such a
ko
short
pangalan
time, she
nito
starts
eh.
crying. Remembering that
Basta
Granny
alam ko
said
to
she
eh,
won't
si
eat them,
Cimarron.
she'll come to pick it
Cimarron
up.
ba?
She cries more, so Yukichi
I don't
tries
think
to
so.
calm her down, but she cries
But
loudly
here we
instead.
go
Just then, her
again.
mom appears as she was searching for her.
Wait,
Yukichi
ayusin ko
thinks
lang
she's going to think I have a
Cimarron.
kidnap them. Her mom asks, what happened to the kid? She says, Yuki-chan's friend's friend will adopt it. While Yuki imagines tomorrow's headline.
Ba't parang puro mga ganito na lang nakukuha ko?
Mother thanks him for
Walang
taking
mga
care
ganito
of
lang
it.
oh, yung mga walang
Granny is
design.
tempted to raise it, thinking maybe it'll
So,
grow
kahit
as big
mga-
as Yukichi. Next day, Yukichi is totally shocked to see a flyer about a pervert assaulting girls cited in their
Okay,
neighborhood.
that's peak.
Granny says, this is scary. Isn't Saku coming home late today?
Hello?
She leaves, saying,
Yun,
hope the
okay lang.
culprit gets
Okay lang
caught soon.
naman. Wala
And
naman kasi
Yukichi is
design.
terrified. He goes to the store and buys a security
So,
buzzer and pepper
perfect
spray
na
for
siya
Saku.
guys.
The worker remembers.
Uy.
There's been talk about a pervert
Perfect.
assaulting women. As he walks out after paying, she thinks, is this person
Ganda!
actually a woman?
Ang
I thought it was some old
cute.
man. At night, he's worried about Saku after hearing about the pervert news. He
Yan,
sits in
guys.
front of the clock, thinking about when she'll return home. Suddenly, he listens to police sirens, and all he remembers is the pervert. So he
Yung
decides
isa
to
kong
go and
kamay,
pick up
wala
Saku
pa.
himself. He is walking when he
Comment ko
hears
yung
a
part
sound.
2.
He sees a boy forcefully imposing
So,
himself on
comment
the
ko
girl.
yung part
She
2 dyan
cries for
guys.
help. Yukichi runs to help her. The boy says, you can't
Comment
break up
kayo
with me
part
like this. Just then, an animal jumps and
Bye.
attacks the boy. He says it's a bear, but she remembers him. She goes to the side of Yukichi. Her boyfriend tries to threaten her.